till which number we had done in the last class?
Ma'am, we have done till
Question.
fourth question. You told to try the fifth one.
Okay. Have you tried doing fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
You were able to do fifth one?
Yes.
Okay. Salwa, Arfa, Amir. Number 5, you all have done.
Ma'am, I did not attempt it.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Amir, what you said?
I did not attempt it.
Okay, this one is not clear. Shall I take it over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in figure 6.20, number 5, figure is 6.20. DE is parallel to OQ. The moment we will see parallel, okay, DE, OQ parallel. Now it's our job to identify the triangle on the basis of this two parallel line. Okay, always we have to look at the bigger line. And last class only you were telling me the triangle will be
POQ.
yeah, POQ. Okay, in POQ triangle we have a line DE parallel to one of the side. So POQ triangle, okay, which one is parallel? DE, which is parallel to OQ. Since parallel, then we will write the ratio same. If parallel, then the ratio same by basic proportionality theorem. Which ratio? PE by EQ is equals to PD by DO. Okay, here in the bracket we will write by basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now the next one. Till here it was clear to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next part, again the parallel condition is given to us that DF is parallel to OR. DF, OR. Which triangle to take?
POR.
Yes, triangle POR. Okay, in triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. If parallel, then the ratio will be same. Which ratio? This ratio. PD by DO is equals to PF
by FR.
Perfect. Okay. Again, by basic proportionality theorem. Equation number 1, the previous one, and this one, equation number 2. Now we can do the comparison of this two equation. We will check P by EQ, PT by DO, PD by DO. Okay, PD DO is matching in both the equations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will write comparing 1 and 2. What we got? We got PE by EQ.
P by EQ is equals to PF by FR.
Perfect. PF by FR. Now we don't have to prove this one. Till question number 4, we were done till here. And this is what it was asking. But here it is not asking to prove that this ratio is same. It says that prove that EF is parallel to QR. Okay. Now let me highlight the ratio which we are having in hand. Let me highlight it over here. The ratio which we are having in hand, the resultant ratio. Let me highlight it over here. PE, the brown color. Okay, EQ, the brown one. Okay, PF, the brown one. FR, the brown one. Okay, and what we are supposed to prove? We are supposed to prove that EF is parallel to QR. We are supposed to prove this EF over here is parallel to QR. So yeah, we can say in triangle
PQR.
Okay, since the ratio is same, hence parallel. Okay, if parallel, then the ratio will be same. If parallel, then the ratio will be same by basic proportionality theorem. And if the ratio is same, then the line will be parallel by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We are done. Okay, let's do question number 6. Yeah, If you want to copy, please copy it. Take your time, finish it. If you have understood, write the hint, write the step, whatever suits you. Please do it. We will be moving to 6, but first do it. Done. Arfa, Salwa, Amir.
Minute.
Teacher, I already did it as homework.
Okay. So,
Done, ma'am.
okay. Yes, Amir. Can I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, question number 6. To understand question number, just a second. Okay. So, this is again figure is given in figure 6.21. Okay. I am scrolling down. You will be able to see the figure 6.21. In figure 6.21, A, B, C are points on OP, OQ, and OR. Okay, we can see A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C are points on OP, OQ, OR. Okay, respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ. We know that when we are doing triangle chapter question, parallel condition is not, we cannot overlook it and just take it, yeah, it is parallel. Okay, from here we will be able to identify the triangle. AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. Tell me the name of the
So
triangle.
triangle POQ or
Exactly.
PQO.
Exactly, PQO, POQ, whatever you say. Triangle PQO or POQ. In triangle POQ, okay, AB is parallel to PQ. That means basic proportionality theorem we can use. Okay, we can say that OA by AP is equals to OB by BQ. Okay, in bracket we will write by basic proportionality theorem. Any confusion so far?
No.
No,
Oh,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now the next parallel condition is given as AC is parallel to PR. So we will be highlighting AC, we will be highlighting PR. And tell me the name of the triangle.
POR.
POR.
Exactly, in triangle POR. Okay, this line AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, the ratio, which ratio OA by AP is equals to OC by CR. Again, we will be comparing equation 1 and equation 2. We can see OA AP over there, OA AP over here. So what are we going to get by comparing 1 and 2?
OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR.
Perfect. Okay, by comparing equation 1 and 2, we will be getting OB by BQ, OC by CR. Okay, here also we are not supposed to prove this ratio and all. We have to show that it is, okay, BC is parallel to QR. So you can check that which triangle can be taken where this ratio is coming. You check it, OB is there. I am rubbing everything in the figure and I am highlighting freshly so that you can tell me the name of the triangle. Okay, from the ratio we will highlight. Look at the ratio, OB is there. Look at the ratio, BQ is there. Look at the ratio, OC is there. Look at the ratio, CR is there. And what you are supposed to prove? You are supposed to prove that this is parallel to this one. So can't we say that by converse of basic proportionality theorem, it will be parallel? If the ratio same, then parallel. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will say that in triangle OQR,
OQ.
okay, this ratio same, we will copy paste the ratio over here, and then we will say therefore BC will be parallel to QR. In bracket we will write by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it quickly, then we will be moving to the next question.
Done, ma'am.
Let's do number 8. Before discussing number 7 and number 8, okay, this was number 6. Before discussing number 7 and number 8, you need to, let's recall what was midpoint theorem in class 9. In class 9, what was midpoint theorem and what was converse of midpoint theorem? So I am explaining over here. First, midpoint theorem. You must have learned in class 9 that if we are having a triangle ABC, and if we know in case the midpoint of AB and the midpoint of AC, okay, we are having just a random triangle ABC, and we know midpoint of one of the side. We know midpoint of another side as well. And if we will be joining them, this line MN will be parallel to the third side and it will be half of the length of the third side. Can you recall this theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
This was known as a
Yes,
midpoint
ma'am.
theorem. That starting from midpoint and going till midpoint, the line which is coming, that line is not random line. That line is parallel to the third side of the triangle and is half of the length of the third side of the triangle. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now converse of midpoint theorem says that here proof and all is not required. Just the knowledge of theorem is required. Converse of midpoint theorem says that if we are having a triangle and if we know midpoint of one of the side, just we know midpoint of one of the side, okay, and a line is just passing through this midpoint, okay, a line is passing through this midpoint, and that line which is passing, that line is parallel to the other side, okay. The line is starting from M, is not a random line, it is parallel to this one. Now the converse says that the third side is also going to get bisected by this line. Okay, converse of the theorem says that, just a second. Yeah, so this theorem says that कि अगर हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल PQR है और यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमें PQ का मिड पॉइंट पता है, दैट इज M. इस मिड पॉइंट से पास होता हुआ एक लाइन है जो कि ट्रायंगल के एक साइड के साथ पैरेलल है. तो क्या क्या हमें पता है? एक साइड का मिड पॉइंट पता है और ये जो लाइन मिड पॉइंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये एक दूसरे साइड के साथ पैरेलल भी है. तो कन्वर्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट ये कहता है कि हमारा थर्ड साइड भी बाइसेक्ट होगा इस लाइन से. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, कन्वर्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट कहता है कि हमारा थर्ड साइड भी बाइसेक्ट होगा। ध्यान से सुनो, यहाँ पे एक मिड पॉइंट और पैरेलल वाला कंडीशन दिया हुआ होता है, और जो सेकेंड, ओके, पीआर, द लाइन पीआर इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग बाइसेक्टेड, वो हम प्रूफ कर रहे होते थे। ओके, दैट आवर third the third side of a triangle is getting bisected, ये हम प्रूफ कर रहे होते थे। हमें गिवन क्या होता था? हमें गिवन होता था दैट पीएम इज इक्वल्स टू एम क्यू, और हमें क्या गिवन होता था? दैट एम एन इज पैरेलल टू क्यू आर, एंड हेंस हम प्रूफ क्या कर रहे होते थे? दैट पी एन इज इक्वल्स टू एन आर। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, दिस इज द कन्वर्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम। और मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, एक मिड पॉइंट से होके जाता हुआ लाइन दूसरे मिड पॉइंट को टच कर रहा है, वो लाइन कोई नॉर्मल लाइन नहीं है, वो लाइन थर्ड साइड के साथ पैरेलल होता है। ओके, हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस प्रूफ by using basic proportionality theorem. Here it is easier than class 9. In class 9 we were doing so many constructions. Okay, we were taking the help of congruency and then we were proving. Okay, and you must have learned that we need to keep in mind these constructions and all whenever we have to do midpoint theorem proof. But here it is really easy. See question number 7. Let's read it. Using theorem 6.1. Theorem 6.1 is basic proportionality theorem. तो हमसे क्या बोला जा रहा है? Basic proportionality theorem को यूज करके proof that a line drawn through the midpoint of one of the side of a triangle. अगर हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल है और किसी एक साइड के मिड पॉइंट से अगर हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, ओके, पैरेलल टू अनदर साइड, ये कोई ऐसा वैसा लाइन नहीं है, ये पैरेलल है किसी एक साइड के साथ। ओके, बाइसेक्ट द थर्ड साइड, ये हमें प्रूफ करके दिखाना है कि हमारा जो थर्ड साइड है इस ट्रायंगल का, जो बचा हुआ साइड है, वो भी बाइसेक्ट हो रहा है। आ रहा है समझ में? ये कन्वर्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, और हमें बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम को यूज करना है। तो हम बोलेंगे कि जैसे ही हमें पता लगा पैरेलल, इफ पैरेलल देन द रेशियो विल बी सेम। हमें कुछ और पता ही नहीं है, हमने बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम अब तक पढ़ रखा है और कन्वर्स ऑफ द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम। इस थ्योरम में ओके एनसीईआरटी में लिख दिया गया है दैट यू शुड यूज बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम। Okay, in question paper when you will get this question, it will not be written, but still we will be using basic proportionality theorem. We will say if parallel then the ratio will be same. Okay, if mn is parallel to bc, if mn is parallel to bc in triangle abc, then the ratio will be same. Which ratio? am by bm is equals to an by nc. Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Okay, now we will
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that since it is given over here that am bm same, it is given, it is given. Okay, I am not saying, it is given over here that you know that m is the midpoint of ab, hence prove that n is the midpoint, right? So it is given over here that am is equals to bm, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will write given that am is equals to bm. हमारे रेशियो को ध्यान से देखो, am bm न्यूमरेटर डेनोमिनेटर में, okay, one of the side is having am by bm, and if we are saying both are same, both are same, that means both will cancel out each other. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
इस रेशियो में am को मैं bm लिख सकती हूँ, okay, by bm is equals to an by nc. Can you see bm bm gone, and we got 1:1, दैट इज ए एन बाई एन सी। जो हमें प्रूफ करना था वो हमें कितना आसानी से मिल चुका है। मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
आर यू गेटिंग एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो मिड कन्वर्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट वी आर हैविंग converse of the midpoint theorem, that a line is if a line is drawn through the midpoint of one of the side parallel to the other side, now prove that it bisects the third side. So we say that since parallel, hence the ratio will be same. In bracket, we will write by basic proportionality theorem. Now we will write in the next step that we know that AM is equals to BM. Therefore, AM by BM can be written as BM by BM is equals to AN by NC. Okay. Now BM gone. What are we having? 1:1. That is equals to AN by NC. And from here, crisscross multiplication we will do. And what are we having? NC is equals to AN. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hence proved. Please do it. While writing, please write that given MN is parallel to BC and AM is equals to BM. These two conditions are given over here. If you are done, okay, with writing, please let me know. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to question number 8. Now read question number 8. It says using theorem 6.2. 6.2 theorem over here is the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, which says if the ratio is same, then the line must be parallel. Okay, if the ratio is same, then line must be parallel. So using theorem 6.2, prove that. Just a second. So using theorem 6.2, prove that line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. What we have to prove? Midpoint theorem. How? With the help of one of the theorem over here, that is converse of BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
using theorem 6.2, prove that. So we will say that we have a triangle ABC. Just a second. We have a triangle ABC. Okay. Proof that the line joining the midpoint. Here what we know, M is the midpoint. What else we know? N is the midpoint. Okay. So here given that AM is equals to MB. And what else is given? AN is equals to NC. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that MN is parallel to BC. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now think how we will prove parallel. How we will prove parallel. whenever we are having two equation, see equation number 1, equation number 2, these two are given to us. Whenever you are having two equation in maths, pair of linear equation in two variable you have done, from there you know you can add two equation, you can subtract two equation. Okay, do you know that you can multiply two equation, you can divide them as well? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we are dividing equation 1 and 2. Why? Okay, I'm coming to the point why we are dividing it. But how we will divide it? We will divide left hand side with left hand side and right hand side with right hand side. Just a second. Just a moment. No? And right hand side with right hand side. Is it okay? If
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have done the division, we can do the division. Okay, we can add any two equation, we can subtract any two equation, we can multiply them, we can divide them. We just have to be careful that we are doing left hand side with left hand side, right hand side with right hand side. Whatever operations we are using, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, carefully we have to do left hand side with left hand side, right hand side with right hand side. We did so. Now this ratio, if you will look closely, we can write this ratio as a, okay, little bit here and there we have to do the terms. See, this ratio which we got just by doing the division, which is acceptable over here. Okay, what we can do, we can write it as a am by mb. This mb I am taking over here and this an I am shifting over there. Can we do so?
Yes, ma'am.
We can do so. Why we did so? Because we got the ratio same. See, am by mb, an by nc, and we will say if the ratio is same, if ratio is same, then the line is parallel. If the ratio is same, then the line is parallel. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it making sense how we are proving the parallel condition? First,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
written that AM, MB same. It was given to us. AN, NC same. It was given to us. We did the division. Why? To create the ratio. To create the ratio, we did the division. But
Ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, the ratios can be even created directly, right?
can you please repeat?
I said that the ratio is the last ratio, AM by MB. It can be written directly also, right?
Uh, yeah, it can be written directly as well. Okay, AM by MB is 1, AN by NC is 1. So both are same. Okay, from here we can write it directly as well, that AM by MB, that is nothing but just 1. And from here we can write AN by NC, that is nothing but just 1. And since both are 1, then we can compare them. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like that also we can do, or like this also we can do. Whatever suits you, please do it. Write the steps. Okay, if you are comfortable with this one, the arrow one which I have given later on, then please do that way. Okay, comparing 1 and 2, and we are done with the proof. Just like this. If this step division and all is creating confusion, then you can do it directly. and let me know if you are done.
Ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do the next question. That is question number 9. Question number 9, question number 10, most important question from here. Let's see number 9. Just a second. Can you see this screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ABCD is a trapezium. Let's draw a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Okay, yeah. In a trapezium, we know that there is a pair of parallel line. Okay, parallel sides. Just a pair of parallel sides is there in any trapezium. So it is given that ABCD are parallel and its diagonal intersect each other at O. So diagonal intersect each other at O. This much is given over here. And what are we supposed to prove? AO by BO, CO by DO. Can you see AO, BO, CO, DO over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you want, you can customize this one and you can write it as AO by CO, which we were doing just now. Okay, AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. Can we write it this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, rather than doing the proof, whatever is asked, AO, BO, CO, DO, even if we will be doing the green one, that means we are done. Okay, we can write. From here, we can write this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so let's focus on the green one, AO by CO. Why I have taken this way? Because it is coming, okay, in basic proportionality theorem or maybe in converse of the basic proportionality theorem, we have so far we have seen one of the side is getting divided, okay, this part over this part, this part over this part. That's why I have done the arrangement like this. Okay, you can see AO, you can see CO, okay, you can see BO, you can see DO. It looks, okay, it looks like that, right? Now the main confusion is which triangle to take from here, because here we can see so many triangles we can see. And one more thing, for this question we have to do one construction. We have to do one construction over here, because without doing construction we won't be able to prove. So do you have to keep in mind the construction part? Yeah, this is a special question. And for a special question, you have to keep in mind how to do the construction. So whenever you will encounter trapezium based question, where ratio and all you have to prove, that means there you need to do the construction. You have to draw a line passing through O parallel to AB. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
And since AB and CD are parallel, so basically this MN is parallel to AB, CD. All three of them are parallel with each other. Making sense?
Ma'am, can
Yeah.
you tell again why did you draw the midpoint M and N?
MNN. This is a
Yeah.
trapezium based question. Here, without doing the construction, if we will try taking the triangles, okay, this triangle, that triangle, we won't be able to reach at the proof, whatever we are supposed to prove. So at first, we have to do the construction over here. Okay, how we will understand, we have to do the construction, so that we have to keep in mind there are two question over here, both are trapezium based question. In both the questions, Same construction we have to do. Through the intersection point, this O, we have to draw a line which is parallel to both of them. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can check it. After the class, you can check it. Without this MN, we will be taking any triangle. You think about it. I'm going to rub this MN just for clarity that why we did so. Why we did so. You take any triangle. Okay. Maybe triangle ABD. Any line which is parallel to one of the side? No. Maybe triangle ADC. ADC. Just look at ADC. Okay, are we able to use basic proportionality theorem? Parallel condition we are having? No. Ratio
No.
having? No. What are we having? Nothing, just AB parallel to CD. Are we able to use this ABCD parallel in any
No,
one of
no.
the triangle? No. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why we are doing this construction, because so many triangles we can see over here, but we are not able to use AB and CD parallel condition. That's why we are doing one line. We are drawing through the point of intersection O. Okay, you can call it MN, you can call it PQ, whatever you want, you can call it. And that is parallel to both of them, AB and CD. Clear? Now, if you will be taking this triangle, see, yeah, if you will take ABD over here, now if you will take ABD, you will be having one line which is parallel. Can you see? Hence, you can write the ratio will be same. Okay. According to the construction, we are having a line which is parallel. Hence, the ratio will be same. Which ratio? So, OM in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, okay, OM is parallel to
AB.
A. Hence, the ratio will be same. The ratio you can write as a DM by MA is equals to DO by OB, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone having any confusion so far?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
why did we take triangle ABD? Just can you tell again?
You can take any triangle, any one of the triangle. Okay, if you don't want to take this one, then take the other one. Just take any one of the triangle. Okay, randomly I took this triangle. Now you tell me which is the next triangle you want to take. I will tell you why you should not take. Tell me which is the next triangle you want to take. Any
ABC.
A.
ABC. Triangle ABC.
Okay, you want to take the next triangle as a ABC. And here also there is a line which is parallel, right?
Parallel. Yeah.
I am writing the ratio in ABC triangle. Okay, ON is parallel to AB. Hence, the ratio will be same by BPT theorem. Okay, that is CO by OA is equals to CN by BN. Okay, one of the triangle I have taken by myself. Okay, according to my wish. Another triangle I have taken according to your wish. But I cannot see any similarity in both the ratio. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, AOCO is there in your ratio and BODO is there in my ratio. Okay, but we don't know how to show them same. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you won't be able to show them same. You have to take the triangle carefully. Carefully you have to take the triangle. Now I'm telling you how you should take the triangle. ध्यान से यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल लेना. अगर तुमने एक ट्राइंगल ब्लैक वाला ले लिया इन केस, तो उसके साथ दूसरा ट्राइंगल हमें इस ये जो AM साइड हमने ले रखा है ना ब्लैक वाले ट्राइंगल में, ये जो AD साइड हमने ले रखा है, दूसरा ट्राइंगल लेते वक्त हमें इस साइड को फिर से यूज करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? ताकि हमारा रेशियो रेशियो मैच कर जाए। तो जैसे ही हमने ब्लैक वाला ट्रायंगल लिया तो उसके साथ हमें ऑरेंज वाला ट्रायंगल ही लेना चाहिए। ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्यों, एक बार लिख के देखो रेशियो। हमें रेशियो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से, ए एम बाई एम बी इज इक्वल्स टू ए ओ बाई ओ सी। कैन यू सी दैट? ओके, रेशियो हम रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए हमें कोई डाउट नहीं है। x बाई वाई इज 1/2, तो y, ओके, अगर इन केस x इज टू y इज गिवन एज अ 1/2 और हमें y इज टू x चाहिए, तो हम रेसिप्रोकल करके लिख सकते हैं। यहाँ कोई डाउट नहीं है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
तो हम जस्ट टर्म मैच कर रहे हैं। अगर एग्जैक्टली एज इट इज, न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर, डेनोमिनेटर डेनोमिनेटर ऐसे मैच नहीं हो रहा है, स्टिल हमारे टर्म्स मैच होने चाहिए, मतलब साइड्स मैच होने चाहिए। ओके, हम रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते हैं जब रिक्वायर्ड होगा तो हम देखो ध्यान से, ए एम डी एम, और हमारे ब्लैक वाले ट्रायंगल में भी डी एम ए एम है हमारे पास, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हम
Yes.
कंपैरिजन कर पाएंगे। तो अगर हमने ब्लैक वाला ट्रायंगल लिया तो ध्यान रख के हमें दूसरा ट्रायंगल ऐसे चूज करना चाहिए ताकि एक साइड कॉमन हो जाए। एम आई मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
और अगर हमने ब्लू वाला ट्रायंगल ले लिया तो फिर उसके साथ भी हमें एक ऐसा ट्रायंगल चूज करना चाहिए ताकि एक साइड मैच हो जाए। अगर हमने इन केस ब्लू वाला ट्रायंगल ले लिया जिसका नाम ए बी सी है, तो उसके साथ हमें ग्रीन वाला ट्रायंगल लेना चाहिए। ध्यान से देखो, मैं बीसी साइड को ओवर ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ ब्लू पे। ओके, और ये रहा हमारा ग्रीन वाला ट्रायंगल। आ रहा है समझ में? ब्लू वाले ट्रायंगल के साथ हमें ग्रीन वाला ट्रायंगल बीडीसी ट्रायंगल ही लेना चाहिए। मैं लिख के दिखाती हूँ रेशियो। अगर बीडीसी ट्रायंगल हमने ले लिया और ओ एन को पैरेलल बता दिया सीडी के साथ, तो हमें क्या रेशियो मिलेगा, बीओ बाई ओ डी, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू बी एन बाई सी एन। कैन यू सी? यहाँ भी सी एन बी एन, यहाँ भी सी एन बी एन, हम मैच करा पाएंगे, कंपेयर कर पाएंगे इन दोनों रेशियो को, और जो हमें प्रूफ में चाहिए वो हमें मिल जाएगा। कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो ब्लैक वाले ट्रायंगल के साथ ऑरेंज ट्रायंगल एंड ब्लू ट्रायंगल के साथ ग्रीन ट्रायंगल, ये दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज बन रहे हैं। अब जो जो भी केस हमें, ओके, तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है ले लो, जो भी कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा लग रहा है, ईदर द ब्लैक एंड द ऑरेंज और द blue and the green, both will, by taking any one of them you will land at answer. Are you getting
Yes, ma'am.
my point?
Yes, ma'am.
आ रहा है सबको समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah, Amir, are you getting it?
Yes.
ओके, तो ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जहां पे हमें सिर्फ क्या याद रखना होता है, कंस्ट्रक्शन। ओके, ट्रायंगल हम याद नहीं रख सकते, इतना कुछ हमें याद नहीं रखना होता। ट्रायंगल हमें थोड़ा स्मार्टली चूज करना होता है कि हमें एक ऐसा ट्रायंगल लेना है जिसका एक साइड हम दो बार यूज कर रहे हैं। पहले वाले ट्रायंगल में भी हमने उस साइड को यूज करा है और दूसरे वाले ट्रायंगल में भी हम उस साइड को ध्यान से यूज कर रहे हैं। ओके, ऐसा ध्यान में रख के हमें ट्रायंगल चूज करना है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रब एवरीथिंग एंड आई विल बी टेकिंग ओनली वन ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिटी, मे बी द ब्लू वन। ओके, इस क्वेश्चन में और भी एक चीज हम ध्यान में रख सकते हैं, एक साइड को तो हम कॉमन लेके ही चल रहे हैं, और ध्यान से अगर देखोगे तो तुम्हें समझ में आएगा कि हम इधर लेफ्ट वाला, ओके, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी चेक फॉर हाउ वी आर टेकिंग द ट्रायंगल। द ब्लू वन एंड द ग्रीन वन। Yeah, best ways to identify the triangle is by keeping one of the side common. Okay, otherwise you will get confused. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I am going to rub this all, and we will try matching the ratio by doing the reciprocal, of course. Now, here we are having Bn by Cn, and here we are having Cn by Bn. Okay, so we will be writing that this, okay, equation number 1 can also be written as, better not to call it 1, first arrange it. So you can do it Bn by Cn over here. Since there you are doing the reciprocal, here also you are bound to do the reciprocal, OA by OC. Clear? This is equation 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, you need to write over there in triangle BDC. Okay, in green color triangle BDC, ON is parallel. ON is parallel to CD. Hence, by basic proportionality theorem, we are writing the ratio same. Getting it?
Ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we can compare equation 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. B and C and there, B and C and here. So we are getting BO by DO is equals to OA by OC, which is not exactly the proof. But yeah, from there we can do the arrangement and we can write the proof. आ रहा है समझ में? अरफा, सलवा,
Yes, ma'am.
आमिर, अब्दुल्ला.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Are you done with noting down everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check the next question. Question number 10. We will try understanding what the question says over here. Okay, and then we will see what can we do. The diagonal of a quadrilateral. Here we are having a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, in the previous one we were having a trapezium ABCD, and here we are having a quadrilateral. Just a random quadrilateral. Okay, हमें quadrilateral जैसे ही हमने पढ़ा यहाँ पे क्या है, एक quadrilateral. क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में एक्चुअली हमें कुछ भी पता ही नहीं होता है. जस्ट हमें ये पता होता है कि एक 4 साइड का पॉलीगन है हमारे पास. एक ऐसा पॉलीगन है जिसमें कितने साइड्स है, 4 साइड्स. इसे क्या बुलाते हैं, क्वाड्रिलेटरल. और क्या पता है हमें, कुछ भी नहीं. सिर्फ हमें यही पता है कि इन चारों एंगल्स को ऐड करके 360 आता है. सिर्फ हमें यही पता है. क्वाड्रिलेटरल का मतलब ही होता है 4 साइडेड पॉलीगन. जैसे ट्रायंगल का मतलब होता है कि एक ऐसा शेप जिसमें 3 साइड्स होते हैं और 3 एंगल्स होते हैं. जब तक मैं ये ना बोलूं आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल या फिर इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, तब तक हमें पता नहीं लगेगा कि कैसा ट्रायंगल. ओके, 2 साइड सेम है या तीनों साइड आपस में सेम है, या फिर स्केलिन ट्रायंगल है, कोई भी साइड एक दूसरे के साथ ओके सेम लेंथ के नहीं है. तो टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल अगर मैं बताऊं तो ट्रायंगल के बारे में हमें बेटर समझ में आएगा. अदरवाइज ट्रायंगल का मतलब तो 3 साइडेड पॉलीगन है. सिमिलरली क्वाड्रिलेटरल का मतलब है 4 साइडेड पॉलीगन ABCD। इसके बारे में हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट दैट इस यहाँ 4 साइड है। और हमें और एक चीज पता है, इन चारों एंगल को ऐड करके 360 आता है, वो पता है। मे बी हम ये कंडीशन यूज ना करें, बट हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में सिर्फ इतना पता है। मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
Having a quadrilateral ABCD, okay, diagonal, wait, the diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O. The diagonals, both the diagonal are intersecting each other, this one and this one, intersecting each other at a point O, such that the ratio is same. ओके इस बार हमें क्या दिया गया है? रेशियो सेम। और हमसे क्या बोला जा रहा है कि अब प्रूफ करके दिखाओ कि ये कोई ऐसा वैसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल नहीं है, ये ट्रिपेजियम है। आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके तो इस बार हमें रेशियो सेम देके क्या बोला जा रहा है? दैट प्रूव दैट इट इज अ ट्रिपेजियम। ओके ट्राई डूइंग इट। ओके try doing it by yourself and let me know in the next class that if you were able to think about it or not. Okay, here also proper explanation is required. That's why I want it to take this question in the next class. Okay, so yes, so far we have discussed till question number 9. Any confusion so far? Arfa, Salwa, Amir? Okay,
No,
no.
ma'am.
Any confusion?